Hi, and welcome to Medy Wellness, the kitchen segment. Today we prepare another recipe of the sweet potatoes for breakfast, and we have our crunchy sweet potato pancakes. Now into the recipe. Boil your sweet potatoes and peel them and chop them into little slices. And to other ingredients, we have flour, oats, milk or cream. You have an egg or eggs. Prepare them, your spices and other herbs too, and chop them. You have your danajera or mixed spices, oil and salt. There we have 2 tablespoons of flour and pre-mixed oats. I actually pre-mix my oats with kefir. You can use ordinary milk or fermented milk. So add in some salt and your eggs and mix well. You don't want it to be so watery or too stiff, so cautiously mix. Remember to add in your fresh herbs and mix it well. If it's too thick, remember to add in a little milk and stir. Then add in your mixed spices and again stir it to mix it up well. Prepare your pan, heat it and add oil. I'm using moderate heat. Then drop your slices into the mixture. Ensure they are well coated and then drop them carefully on the pan. As the oil heats up, remember to drop the pieces of potatoes in the mixture. Ensure it's well coated and then drop them onto the pan carefully because the oil is hot. And remember, it's moderate heat. And as it's cooking, let's think about it. Sweet potatoes have been ignored largely in our populations, and yet they are rich in vitamin A, fiber, manganese, and potassium, which is good for your heart and your muscle, and magnesium that helps us to absorb other vitamins and minerals in our body. Why? It's just because of the presentation. We've always known it to be boiled or roasted, but see when both sides are cooked, see how delicious it looks. Very crunchy and very presentable. Not even your toddler or your teenager or your elderly parent or even you can resist. See the way it looks and it tastes nice because of all the things you've put in. So there's the nutritive value of the potato and the nutritive value of the kefir or the oats that you added. If you love this, remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Follow us on other social media handles. Medy Wellness cares for you and your family.